Aside from my original upbeat songs, hindi rin pwede mawala ang original power ballads ko na binigyan ng bagong arrangement. For the first night, I had my friend and my co-champion Eric Santos as my special guest. We did a duet of Paano Ba Ang Magmahal? It's the soundtrack of my 2015 movie with Papa P, ang The Breakup Playlist.
Magandang gabi po. Thank you very much for joining me tonight, for being here, for giving me another chance to entertain you, to perform for you here at the Big Band.
Well, Sarah is Sarah. Siya lang talaga nakakapuno talaga ng bongga ng Araneta ng 2 days concert. Tsaka, masayang experience kasi iba na naman ang offer ni Sarah eh. Iba na naman yung napakita niya sa audience. At sobrang hindi lang kami yung happy. Alam kong happy-happy lahat ng popsters and yung mga talagang sumusuporta sa kanya.
Ito lang kaya ang pinaka-daily na concert ko. Wow! Bakit? Di ba daily? Hindi, kasi ngayong gabi po magpapaka-indie ako sa repertoire ko. Magpapahinga po muna ako sa mga foreign pop music hits. Na sana po ay ma-appreciate nyo naman po itong show na ito.
Lahat ng popsters nandun, di ba? Nagpakita lahat eh. And they really, man, I've never seen support, that kind of support from fans. That was really inspiring.
She's becoming more mature as a performer and as a woman also.
That's what I wanted with this show, na nandun yung dancing, nandun yung energy, but at the same time her heart is a major factor in that show, and that's what we try to achieve with this project.
Mayroon akong guest na si Mr. Eric Santos, and the first night
sobra akong nag-enjoy din sa performance namin. ever since talaga kapag kaduet ko si Sarah, parang feeling ko palaging yung kanta punong-puno ng soul, punong-puno ng pag-ibig. Kasi alam naman natin si Sarah kung kumanta siya galing talaga sa puso. Yung nakita kong passion kay Sarah, grabe yung nakita kong dedication niya sa kanyang fans, sa kanyang music, sa kanyang ginagawa. And yung maturity niya as a performer, sobra-sobra niya naabot niya. So, sobra akong happy para sa kanya.
It's seldom that she says, this is what I want, this is what I want, this is what I'll fight for. And that's what she did. And so give it to her, no? So parang almost every song had a different touch. We know it turned out really well.
And forever's not enough for me to love you. I spent another lifetime, baby, if you ask me to. Forever's not enough for me to love you so.
Ang ginawang attack ng Forever's Not Enough, yun isang example ng paano niya binago. Yung feel, hindi yung usual pop feel. May konting R&B na slide na malapin tonics ng konti. So, yun, kakaiba yun.
Thank God dahil super successful ang unang gabi ng From the Top. Di ko akalain na makakabuo ako ng solo concert na puro original songs ko lang ang kakantahin ko. Next week, you will see more unforgettable scenes from the second night naman of From the Top. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. Till my next entry, much love, Sarah.
Thank you.